How to add phone number in FBS. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you're trying to add or update your phone number in your FBS account, here's how you do it. First of all, launch open a web browser and type in fbs.com in the URL box and search. Once you're inside the official homepage of FBS, go to the login button at the top right corner and sign in by entering your correct login credentials. Once you're inside the homepage or the dashboard of FBS account, go ahead and click on the profile settings at the bottom left corner. Inside profile settings, you'll see the phone number option. Click on add phone number. To enter your phone number, you'll first need to verify your ID. Go ahead and complete that and enter a new phone number you want to verify. Once you enter the phone number, you'll need to verify it by entering the verification code that has been sent to you via SMS on your provided number. After you are done with the verification, you will be able to link your phone number in your FBS account. So that's how you do it. Just make sure that you have verified your identity first. After you've done that, you can easily add a phone number onto your account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.